everyone, welcome to Glass Fiber Factory Tour. I'm Cho from GRECHO Fiberglass. Today we are exploring our specialized manufacturing process for the fiberglass nonwoven as well as the fiberglass coating mat. What you are going to see today is the whole production line, the laboratory, as well as the warehouse. Let's check it out.
What's up, everybody? This is William Jong coming from GRECHO Fiberglass. What you're seeing here, this is the warehouse for the specialized manufacturer of our fiberglass coating mat. You can see that these are the jumbo rolls of our fiberglass material, and also some of these are the base fill for producing the coating mat. So what you can see here in my hands, on my left hand, these are the coating mat products, all right, which can use for commercial and residential building facing interior and exterior. And these here are the thin wheels or base mats for producing these babies. So, and our material provides several different features for building materials. For example, fire resistance, water resistance, and mold and moisture resistance, impact, penetration resistance. So these are the basic features of our material. And the next stop is that we're going to take you to the manufacturing line to see how these materials are manufactured, and also the laboratory to see how they're tested for the different parameters. All right, let's go.
Okay, here's the whole processing line for the wet tissues, and that part will be for the foaming, and this portion is just for the drying section. Drying section, here is the winding, how the fiberglass flow into the end production line. After the finished product already finished, the complete jumbo roll will be coming to this warehouse. There are totally 8 rewinder here, mainly for inspecting all of those tissue rolls, what will be the defective could be. For example, for the cluster or the dry fiber combustions or the black spot, as well as etc. Those are like impurity, especially for tracking the fiber uniform. The workshop number 2, which is including number 1, number 2, and number 3. There was totally 3 production line for the coating mat productions, and this one has. Let's have a look for this.
Hello everyone, this is Amy from GRECHO Fiberglass. Today we would like to share with you a testing video about what is the fire resistance level of our product, which is fiberglass coating mat.
Here's all of the factory tour today. And if you want to know more about the fiberglass and all of the related products, please visit our website www.grechofiberglass.com. Thank you for watching.